Salads are boring. Oh, no more. This spicy, crunchy, restaurant style cucumber salad is only 110 calories for the whole bowl. If you want to lose weight but you love chatpata food, save this right now. This is a side dish I eat with grilled chicken or just itself when I want snacks. Here's how easy it is. Smash or thinly slice 2 cucumbers, sprinkle salt, let it sit for 10 minutes, then drain the water, and this will keep it super crunchy. Now for the dressing, garlic, chopped parsley or coriander. I have used coriander leaves, chili flakes. This goes according to your choice. Some coriander powder, paprika, smoked paprika I have used here, black pepper powder freshly ground, and here goes 1 tablespoonful of sesame oil, a pinch of sugar. You can substitute this with honey also, sesame seeds, lemon juice. Instead of chopped garlic, you can use minced garlic also. Now toss the cucumber in the dressing. You can top it up with some toasted sesame seeds and a little bit of coriander just for the garnishing, and you are totally done. Now I haven't added salt. This is totally optional. You can add salt or you can totally avoid salt because we have already soaked this in salt water. Recipe courtesy is Srini. She can make this wonderful and she made it. This is the side dish that goes viral every summer because it is addictive, it's spicy, tangy, slightly sweet and so crunchy. You'll forget it's a diet recipe. Now friends, if you all like this recipe, please don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you all for watching.